connect your compact flash to IDE adapter to your USB adapter, and then make sure that the card shows up on your computer. Then you're going to open up the Ghost program, click on Local, Disk, From Image, and you're going to find your image file for the DOS installation media. And then you're going to click on the CF card, which is going to be the lowest size in megabytes that's on this computer right now. You're going to click OK. Click Yes. Make sure you do not overwrite your C drive. Now this is going to copy everything to the compact flash card. Click Continue. Now you can see here that the DOS has been copied to the compact flash card. I want it to boot from DOS first. I don't know why it's doing that. See, there it goes. Now it says starting MS-DOS.